Sporting Chance, together with Bishop's Prep, under the guidance of former South African hockey Olympian and Bishop's master Murray Anderson, hosted the 5th annual Sporting Chance Bishop's Under-12 Inter-Schools Hockey Tournament at the acclaimed Bishop's College AstroTurf on Friday the 3rd of June.
I used to do a lot of tournaments for under 13 kids, and so when I got to Bishop's about 10 years ago, I thought, well, let's start some tournaments for under 12 children, and a nice day-night tournament for medals and cups and things like that, which is a little bit more competitive, I suppose, than the festivals they used to. But there was a demand for that. Kids really wanted to get out and play and enjoy themselves under floodlights on AstroTurf. So I started this tournament in 2003, and it's been a great success. We first kept it to the southern suburb schools, and we've invited the same schools for the last 7 or 8 years. So we've kept it like that. We've got 16 schools involved, or 16 teams involved from various schools, government schools, private schools, boys' schools, all girls. So it's a co-ed environment. So it's quite a mixture of schools from the southern suburbs. So what we do is that we do 2 pools of 4 teams, and then they play for position. And after that, then there's a cross-pool playoffs. There's semi-finals and finals. And then everyone has a playoff game. So everyone who comes out here tonight gets 5 matches. And then they are sort of ranked from their playoffs. But they get 5 matches here tonight. When I did my tournaments in the 1990s, under 13 one, Sporting Chance were there right from the beginning. And they've backed this tournament with Bishop's Prep, who host this. They've been doing it for us and helping us out, sponsoring trophies, prizes, and their staff are on hand to help us with administration. So that's been brilliant for them. They are a coaching company, so they have an invested interest in school sport and people getting out and playing. So, it's a great partnership.
200 boys and girls from 16 primary schools in Cape Town participated in the round-robin tournament under the watchful eye of the Sporting Chance team.
We're involved in this project because obviously we want to invest back into the kids that are part of our Sporting Chance program. We run coaching clinics both for all different sports, primarily hockey being one of them, and it's fantastic to be able to support such an initiative and let the kids have the opportunity to play under lights, which is very exciting. This is an amazing spectacle for junior hockey. I mean, to get 16 teams out here from under 12 and to be able to, the opportunity for the kids to play on Astro is phenomenal. And as you said, you can really spot the real gems and see some amazing skills on display, which is very exciting.
Former SA cricket icon Herschel Gibbs, who is an old Bishop's boy, was on hand to chat to his fans and also give some advice.
The festivals around the country is a huge opportunity, not only for kids, but also for companies too. With regards to Sporting Chance, they've come in, sponsored the event, and it is an opportunity for these kids, not only for their development, their skill, the whole makeup of their upbringing. And it's just a wonderful opportunity for them to actually get out there and enjoy, the sport on another basis, And when there's extra incentive with regards to sport, it makes it even more competitive, more enjoyable, and it brings out the best in the kids alone.
The winners and runners-up received medals and trophies along with generous vouchers from Sportsman's Warehouse. The top strikers were also honoured and received prizes sponsored by Let's Play and CK Hockey.